Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. I'm Hasting the Quickest, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download any app of your choice safely on your Android phone or your iPhone. So if you're an Android user, all you need to do is go to Play Store, but if you're an iPhone user, you go to App Store. All right, these are the two icons over here. So in this tutorial I'm using an Android phone. I'm going to tap on the Play Store icon. All right, when you go to Play Store, so on Play Store you can find any apps and games for your Android phone. All right, so all you need to do is to go to games if you're looking for games, or you go to apps if you're looking for apps. All right, these are the top. You can see for you over here you have all of these. You have apps, but if you want to search a particular app of your choice, you can come to search, and over here you can tap on this, click on the search. You're going to search a particular apps or games of your choice. For example, I'm going to search puzzle, and after searching for puzzle you can see different puzzle games over here. You can see that. All right, so that's it guys. If you're an iPhone user, you do the same because it's quite similar, just that it has to do with different operating systems, but it's all the same process. All you need to do is to open your App Store on your iPhone and open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. So see you in the next video. Adios.